InstaCuppa upgraded portable blender with LED indicator, made in a stylish and unique design. Powered by a 4000 mAh battery with 6 stainless sharp steel blades, comes in 500 ml capacity. Blend your favorite smoothie anytime anywhere. Quick and easy with its powerful 230-watt motor. Press the power option twice to start blending. Made with anti-skidding silicone for added safety while you blend. Wide mouth opening for easy pouring. Easy to hold. Multi-purpose in so many ways. Convenient charging via USB charging or input port, made with the safest materials in PTCG food grade cup body. Blend soap and water to clean. Fun to use and easy to carry around.